Hello and welcome back to Crypto Cats. And today I want to tell you about a cryptocurrency that is better than a savings account. Yes, that's correct. Even though your parents, your grandparents have always told you to save and to put money away in a savings account because someday it's going to be worth more money. Well, let me tell you, most savings accounts, you might get 1 to 3% if it's a good one. CDs, maybe you might squeeze 4% to 5% out of a good CD. But with this cryptocurrency, you will gain over 15% APY. That's right, 15. I said 15%. Absolutely blows away any savings account, any CD, any investment account like that you've ever had in your life, putting money in a bank. And this is what the ticker is. It's called Cosmos, and the ticker is Atom. And with this, you guys, especially at this low price, not only when you stake this, you're going to get 15+% APY, plus this is such a good buy, especially at the time of the recording of this video. I believe the price right now is $2.79, which is at a low. The all-time high on this coin is over $44. Imagine right now, even if it just traded sideways at about $2.40, $2.79 for a long time, and you put money in there and just left it alone, the chances of that thing going up are great. The chances of, even doing a 10x, a 20x on your money is really great. Plus, you get the 15% APY when you stake it. Now, here's the thing you have to remember about staking cryptocurrency. There are certain rules in which you can't get that out for, usually it's around 30 to 60 days, depending, every cryptocurrency is different. You have to read up on it to see what the rules are. But usually what you will do is you will stake it, and so you've invested it, you've locked that price in. As the price goes up, your capital gains go up on that. As the price goes down, obviously your investment goes down. However, what doesn't happen is it doesn't change your APY. So if you lock in an APY of 15% and you leave, that money in there for 20 years, well, no matter what happens with the price, you're still gaining rewards on the original amount that you put in. And so if you stake starting out $1,000 and then later on, you're still getting that 15% APY and you continue to put money in that, well, guess what? It's going to continue to compound and compound. And what happens is you're going to end up making a lot of money. Instead of putting it into a little bank savings account, you guys, where maybe you might gain 2-3% interest over that, which is not going to be very much over time, with 15% is pretty significant. And so I wanted to share this with you today. Take a look at Cosmos and consider possibly that being a better opportunity for you to make money year over year than a savings account or even a CD. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and check out our X and our referral links for Coinbase in the description of this video. And until next time, God bless.